Hello, welcome again to the second edition of our distance home learning. For you Green Parrots, hello again, my name is Teacher Lachlan. This will also be for the Brown Owls class with Teacher Ben. But also for every class that wants to have a look, grade 1, 2 and 3. Can you say the words? We are doing sounds and maybe even red robins and purple puffins. This is something for you to look forward to. Sounds is very important in pronouncing everything. The thing about sounds is you have to say them slowly and with meaning, which means your mouth has to move. It has to move like a cartoon. Cartoon. Ka-art-oo-n. How many of you can spell that word just by the sounds? Now there are two different types of sounds that we'll be looking at today. What is a blend? What is a digraph? A blend is two letters that make a sound, but you can still hear the sound of the two letters. Like we have cl-am. CL is a blend. Cull, you can still hear the C, the K, you can still hear the L sound, the so clam. Plant, P-A-N-T. You have to break up the word into its individual sounds to be able to spell it. Drip, drip. Again, the sound. There, CLs, some of the now. Trunk, unk. Unk is another one. You can hear the N and you can hear the K sound. Unk. You can hear the T and the Trunk. Another one. Sp. You can hear the S and the P. Spot. Sp. O-T. Okay, S-P-O-T. What about this one? How can you pronounce that? Do we know? Swam. You can hear the S and the W sounds, followed by the A. Few more. Stem. Then we have some which are at the end, or the L ending sounds. We have ult, belt. Hold your pants up, belt. Then we have wolf, wolf, that cries at the moon, wolf. And then we have old, old, followed by old, cold. So they're blends. Two letters which you can still hear their sounds when they're put together. We have a few more like scar, sk, r. There's two blends. Can anybody spell that word? We'll leave that one for you to spell. Now over here we have digraphs. They're two letters which make up one different individual sound. So the sounds are not similar to the letters that are involved. We will have a look. Ch. CH makes the ch sound. Ch. Much. Another CH could be cheese, chair, chance, change. Our second one is CK. Not ka or k. Get that tongue really. You have to get your cheeks, your jaw, your tongue, your lips, tongue on the teeth, everything going for sounds, for digraphs and blends. Back, another one, clock, stock, block, lock, emphasize, really say the sounds. Another one here, king, king. Do we know any other NGs? Sing, ring, bling. Okay, now this one has two digraphs. We've already done the k at the end. QU. Qua, a, k. What does a duck do? Quack. Okay, another one. Then we come down to the H's. WH. Wha, at, what, where, when, which. Emphasize, get the H sound really there. Wha, wha. Okay, ba, th, th. Another th. Get the tongue on the T. Bath. Another SH here. Sh, ship, shore, shark, shape, ship, ship. Over here now, we have what's called the double vowel digraphs. Some of these, we'll go through them. We have main and paint. You have eat and seat. Teeth, make sure you have the of the teeth, and see. And then we have boat and road. Now let's go back. If you notice the sounds of those, there's a saying. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. AI, you pronounce it A. A-N. Paint, P-A-N-T, paint. A-I, you pronounce A. E-A, what's the first vowel? E. So that's how you pronounce E-A. Eat. 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 We move on to the next one. Do you remember the sounds? Teeth and C. E sounds. What's the first vowel? E and E. T, eat, s, E. How do you think you pronounce O-A and O-A? Exactly. It has an O sound. It's the first vowel. B-O-T. R-O-D. So these ones, when the double vowel is together, you say it as if how you would say, not the sound, but how you would actually say the first vowel. A, E, E, O. And then we have the double O sounds here. Now we have two double O sounds. Short and long. K, k, cook, cook. B, k, book, book. W, d, wood. And then f, t, get the sounds from together. Start out here, f, t, foot. Anything you could do. Sh, p, ship. Clap. Any sounds at all that we're covering. Get them, the individual sounds, and then start putting them together. Now the double O, the long sounds. This is This is not n. This is oo, moon, moon. You have to really get your lips out like a cartoon again. Moon. So you have the short, and here's the long. Moon, spoon, spoon. Roof, oof, roof. Really break down the sounds. Again, a blend, blend, blend. Bloom. Flowers in spring, they bloom, bloom. Have to emphasize. You have to really use every part of your lower face to pronounce properly the words. Don't be afraid to really stretch your cheeks, stretch your mouth, emphasize those sounds. Okay, now we have a couple of worksheets that we're going to go over. We have the R and L consonant blends here. So we have O, C, K, S. Ox, ox. Okay, diagraph there. 1, 2, 3. Is it brox? Is it crocs? Is it what do they look like? Blocks. Bull. What sound do you hear? What sound do you hear? What two letters make that blend? Bull. Do we know? Do we know? Very good. BL. Blocks. Let's have another one. This guy. Og. Somebody that goes ribbip, and jumps. Og. Is it a blog? No. Is it a flog? No. It's a frog. How do we spell frog? Fur. How do we do it? Do we know? Fur? Yeah, very good. F-R. Fur-og. Fur-og. Blocks. Blocks. Break the sounds down. We'll take our second worksheet there. We'll have a look at them. Something that grows in the garden. How do we pronounce E-E? Very good. E sound. Remember from over here. E sound from the diagraph. But it grows in the garden. What is it? Is it a free? Is it a breed? No, it's a tree. Tur-E. Tur-E. Tree. What two letters do you hear in that blend? Tur. You start with the T, end with the R. Tur-E. Tree. Again, emphasize. Really, as we say, enunciate. Get your mouth moving. Let's have another one. We see on the up, the one that goes musical instrument. What is it? Exactly, drum. Now what do we hear at the start? What do we hear at the end of that blend? Der, D-R. So that's what blends are. Two letters with sounds joined together. Okay, very good. Now we're going to go along to the diagraphs. Diagraphs here, as I said, two sounds or two letters which make a different sound. So we have here the CH, SH, TH. CH, 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 ch. SH, sh, and TH. Make sure you get that tongue really on the teeth. Exactly like teeth. Okay, now we have here BA, and we have to fill it in. Sh, ch. Is it batch, batch? No. Is it bash, bash? Bash is a word. It is a word. Bash means if you hit something or smash something in. What about bath? Bath is also a word. So now we look at the picture. What does the picture show us? Bubbles. So of course, it's a bath. We'll have one more. When we go to the park and we need to rest, we rest on that seat, wooden seat. But what is it called? We have the first sound, n, ben, ben. Is it bench, bench, or bench? What do we say? Bench, bench, ch. What makes that ch sound? CH. Very good. Okay. We'll just have a look at our last one. Now, our last one is one that I really like. Because not only does it have the sounds, you have to find it and put it into the right sentence. The sentence has the pictures as well. It is a double vowel sound. AI. I'll give you 3 seconds to be able to tell your mommy and daddy what AI sound is. Very good. AI sounds makes an A sound. So we have here nails, train, snail, rain, p-a-n-t, b-a-n, brain, a-fr-a-d, afraid. Now you find out these, sound them out. See if you know them. See where you recognize them. Where you were the last time you talked about it, like the rain. The weather was not sunny, it was raining. Look at the pictures. Where do you see somebody that's wet? In the first one. But don't only put the sound, the word in. I want you to say the sentence. There are more sounds, digraphs, blends in the sentence. Sh, e, ga, ot, wet, in, f, in. She got wet in the rain. There's a list of 7 sentences there with 7 words. All of them, it concentrates on the AI, A sound, but as you said, there's a SH, a TH. There's a ST there, there's a TH here, there's another AI, an AI. Okay, there's THs, THs. So put them down and read the sentence. That's what sounds are about. Sounding it out. Remember the cartoon? Ka, R, T, U, N, K, C, R. Again, it's a blend. R. What sound did you hear at the start? At the end. A-R. T, T, oo. We met the oo in the long sounding double O. Oo and N. N. So C-A-R-T-O-O-N. That is how you break them down. Okay? Very good. Now, any questions about this? Blends to digraphs to any sounds. Please do not hesitate to message on Bluebird Facebook Messenger to Principal Karen or Coordinator Kendall. They will be answer all your questions, or they will direct me to any questions you have for me personally. So keep it going, keep going in your hard work. I miss you guys an awful lot. I just have one more thing to say to you. As we are in the same year and the same age, brown owls as well are doing the same distance learning as green parrots. So Teacher Ben, guys, you know him very well from break time, snack time. He will be going over the math with you. Before you look at his clip, which is very important, I want you to have your 1 to 20 number line. And I also want you to have your multiplication times tables. Very important to have it when you are looking at the video clip of Teacher Ben. He will explain all about the math problem. Next time I see you, we will have another story, another adventure. Who knows when it will be or where it will be, but I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope you're taking care of yourself. Make sure about the hygiene. Keep washing your hands, yeah? Be good at home, and I hope to see you soon. So thank you all, Akun, and until next time.